So, I heard you want to know when a coin will pump, but no one can tell you how to figure that one out. Well, look no further. I will show you exactly how to do that today in this video. So, if you love cryptocurrency, if you love making money, don't forget to smack the like button and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot and it only takes you half a second to do it. So, without further ado, if you're trading on Binance, this is going to be especially useful because I will use Binance as an example to kind of show you how to spot a coin that will pump. And no, this is not a scam. This is something that actually works from a technical standpoint. It definitely works. So let's say you're trading on Binance and you see all these coins having huge gains. Wow, I knew something was weird, but Jesus, is the light mode bad. Man, I just need the dark mode everywhere, you know? So anyway, here's what I do. I go over on CoinGecko. Right, so once you're on CoinGecko, on the main homepage of CoinGecko, you want to go to the search bar and kind of search for Binance or really any exchange that you're using. And you don't want to click on BNB or any of the cryptocurrencies. You want to find below its categories, and then below that it's exchanges. So you want to use the Binance exchange, or if you're based in the United States, you want to use the Binance US preferably. So also one important thing is you got to use the dark mode. Light mode is just not acceptable. So the next thing we want to look at is the 24-hour trading volume. So as you can see, this is for the whole of Binance. It's $20 billion trading volume in the past 24 hours. We got 329 coins, and a few of those 329 coins will be the ones to pump a lot, but you need to find them. So here's how I try and find them. What you want to do is search around the top 20 to top 30 area and kind of see which one of these coins are not familiar to you, and then try and figure out if those coins are not very popular and their market cap is low. So if all that kind of aligns, then what you want to do is look at the 24-hour trading volume for that particular coin. So if the volume is very high, the trading volume is very high, the coin is unpopular, you've never heard of it, it has a low market cap, that means that this coin will pump. Now let's try to find an example and I'll explain further. So for example, I never heard of this coin. I don't know, maybe some of you have. I've definitely not heard of it. It's on the 20th spot and has a 24-hour trading volume of $205 million. Now that's half the market cap that it has. So the 24-hour trading volume is half the market cap that this coin has. So this is probably one of the coins that will soon explode, because this means that whales are accumulating. This is what this means. People that know stuff you don't are buying this coin among other coins. For example, here's another one, Rarible. I've never heard of this coin either. It has a 24-hour trading volume of $400 million, and its market cap is $700 million. So almost the whole market cap, more than half. Also, this coin will probably pump in the next week or month because whales are accumulating. Look at the volume here. Look at the big spike in the volume, but no spike in price. So that's another thing that's also very, very, very bullish. And basically, this is how you spot coins that will pump for sure. When you see that the trading volume, the 24-hour trading volume is very high, and the coin is unknown, has a little market cap, means that whales are accumulating. Keep that in mind. And when whales accumulate, coins go boom. So let's go to TradingView and kind of check out TLM, which is this coin, Alien World's TLM. It's the 20th right now as of me recording this video. I'm recording on the 29th August on a Sunday. So by the time you see this video, it might have already passed. So you can just go ahead and check out this coin and see if it actually pumped. Because at this point, I don't even know if it's gonna pump. But this is how I find the coins that are next to pump, right? So I checked the technical analysis for TLM on TradingView. I will first go to the daily. Yeah, this is something that usually happens when a coin gets the US dollar. When a coin gets the USDT pair, just gets traded like crazy. Went to $5.9, might even be a bug. But let's just check TLM with BTC, and yeah, it looks kind of similar actually. It looks very similar. So I'm gonna go back to USDT because this is definitely true. So looking at a 15-minute chart, if you look at the volume, the biggest volume is here, which is below its current price, obviously, but this is when the volume spike was the biggest. So people that bought here are 20% in profit now if they haven't already sold, but I would say they've already sold once they've been in profit here and just plummeted down. But those people that have not sold are still in profit just a little bit at this point, or a lot of people have also sold in the negative right here, which is just a shame. People that sold here, you hate to see it, man. You hate to see it. You just don't want people who bought up here to sell down here. It's just such a shame, and it always happens, especially to new traders, and it just makes them not enter the crypto space ever again. And it's just all such a freaking shame, man. But when we're looking, as we're looking at the 15-minute time frame, we clearly see we're in an uptrend, and looking at the RSI, it's also in an uptrend. If the RSI was going down, that would be a bearish divergence, but in this case, we don't have a bearish divergence, so it's all good. We don't have the money flow, yet we're going up, so that's all good, but this is still just the short term. If I go, for example, to the 1 hour, it doesn't look like that at all. It just looks a little bit different. Kind of looks like it was starting to make a cup and handle formation, and maybe it did. Maybe it did. This is what normally a cup and handle looks like. It does look just like this. And how you want to trade a cup and handle is you trade the breakout right here. So let me actually try and draw this a little bit more precise so I can show you guys what I mean. But doing technical analysis for small coins doesn't always play out the way you need it to play out, or the way you read it it's going to play out. But nevertheless, I digress. Let's still draw the trend lines. Let's still draw the cup and handle and kind of see where we end up. Right, so this is the cup, in which case this will be the kind of handle. So we will trade the breakout. Let me go to the five minutes. Yeah, we already had the breakout, and we had the confirmation of support right here. And yeah, it's actually real. I might actually even put a trade in. This is all looking very, very good. But as I said, technical analysis doesn't always play out the way it should on the smaller time frames, and especially on the smaller coins that have a lower market cap, like this one has 400 million market cap. That is not a low number by any stretch of the imagination, but comparing it to, for example, Cardano, which has almost 100 billion, or even Bitcoin, which has over $1 trillion at $50,000, at $53,000 actually. It's just that with Bitcoin, with Cardano, with Ethereum, you have so much more data to play with, and when you have a lot of data, it just makes reading the market a lot easier, right? But either way, just by looking at the volume, the 24-hour volume right here, the accumulation process for this coin, it is definitely one of the next coins that's going to pump. But this is not a video telling you what coin to buy. This is a video showing you how to spot the next coin that will pump for yourself. So I hope this helped. I hope you will use this to your advantage. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I am is a YouTuber, a crypto YouTuber who knows how to dig way deep down and find the good stuff for you guys. So that's what I did today. Hopefully it helps. My name is Tony. I'll see you next time.